Folks, welcome back. Hope you're doing well. I'm doing great. Game day Sunday, guys. That's when we're cooking this anyway. And wow, got some smoke going over here. Again, guys, I'm going to bring you just a super easy snack. We're doing snack day on the tailgating slash game day series we kind of got going on. And I'm going to show you a super easy, it's kind of a buffalo style cheesy sausage balls. I don't know what else to call them, but they're just buffalo styles. I'm gonna prep these up inside, and while the fire's coming up, and get them on the grill as soon as we can, guys. Let's get going. Hey folks, just 3 ingredients here, guys. This is just 2 pounds of just regular breakfast sausage, whatever you want. And I've got an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, softened. You've probably seen this before. I don't know if you've tried to do it on the grill. Mostly sausage, softened here. One right in here, and I got 1 cup of cheddar cheese, shredded. There's only one way to do this, guys. Get in here and get your hands dirty. Mix it all together. Almost gonna get any more mixed than that. Ain't no rocket science here, guys. We'll start making up some balls. I generally blow it on the size. These are maybe golf ball size. That's about all we're gonna do. All right, guys, get this grill up to temp. We'll get these on the grill. This actually looks pretty good here. I want to keep as much warm side as I can for our second step of this cook. Hey guys, here's where it gets interesting. I got more sausage balls than I do space, so I have to move these around some. Just gonna grill these things off for a little bit. We'll grill these 2 or 3 minutes per side until we get it fairly cooked through. Then we'll go to step number 2. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah. Be careful. Cover these for a few minutes. Okay, we're gonna move into phase number 2 here. We're gonna braise these things off. Got some good grilling here. We're done. This probably took, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes or so. A couple of them didn't fare so well, fell apart on me, but that's okay. I'm sure they will get eaten. Like that one right there. That's for me. That was for me right there. You know what? I'm gonna put them in here anyway. They get eaten, I promise you. All right, this is the fun part, guys. This is some Sweet Baby Ray's. This is some mild buffalo sauce. We're just gonna coat this entire thing. Get some love going in here. Don't have to be 100%. We're gonna let it braise off in here for a while. It might take about an hour or so. We'll see. Fill this up. And let it do its thing, guys. We'll check back in a bit. Alright guys, we're about 30 minutes into this. Ooh, better use my gloves over here. I ain't gonna do anything to this but turn this around. That's all we're gonna do. Just going to assure some even cooking. That's all we're doing. I'll check back in about 30 minutes and we'll get some cooking temps on here. Let's get some temps on this, if I can do this without burning my hands off. There we go. you can smell that. You could smell that. Smell that buffalo sauce, heavy. Definitely done. Let's get these aside, get them plated up, and snack on some sausage balls. I'll give these a little soak in here. Gotta give them a little soak in that buffalo sauce. Get a little drizzle. This is what we're talking about right here, guys. Gotta do it. It's going in. It's gonna be so messy. Smells amazing. That is so good. I would have liked the buffalo sauce to be a little bit hotter. This is mild. That is so good and messy. Delicious. But around here, a mild's about as hot as it's gonna get. But that's good. It's got a little bite to it. Oh God. What a treat, little snack, guys. You know, I've been touting that Prime 6 charcoal. 100% of this cook was done with used charcoal from my last cook. Real hot. Did get a little warm up there. Use that promo code KEN10. It's gonna get you 10% off at prime6.com, and I should have it right here. So to the food, I'm gonna do one more little bite for you. That's good. Delicious, guys. Keeping up with that little game day thing, tailgating type food, having a blast doing it. Get me doing something I don't normally do all the time. So, or just maybe every once in a while. So, having a lot of fun doing it. So guys, till next time, we will see you on the next cook. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.